Mastering punctuation. The power of the full stop. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries behind two small yet mighty aspects of English punctuation and expression: the full stop. Whether you're writing an essay or sending a text message, understanding the use of the full stop is crucial in making your point clearly and effectively. So, let's dive in and explore this fundamental element of English grammar and expression. A full stop, known in American English as a period, is a punctuation mark that signals the end of a sentence. It indicates a full pause and tells the reader that the sentence has come to a complete closure. Imagine you're reading a book and you come across a sentence without an end. It would be confusing, wouldn't it? That's why the full stop is so important. It gives structure and clarity to our writing. In English, the full stop is used in several instances. At the end of a declarative sentence, he went to the store. After abbreviations, depending on the variety of English, Mr. Smith, or e.g. Remember, not using a full stop where it's needed can lead to run-on sentences, which are not only grammatically incorrect but also make your writing difficult to understand. The term full stop can also be used figuratively to emphasize the finality or unquestionable nature of a statement. For instance, when someone says, "I'm not going to discuss this further," full stop, they mean that the discussion is over, and there is no room for negotiation or continuation. In expressive language, when full stop is used in conversation or writing, it acts like a verbal punctuation mark, drawing attention to the importance and definitiveness of the preceding statement. It's a way of saying, "This is final," or "There is nothing more to say on this matter." Thank you for joining me in exploring the full stop. Whether it's guiding readers through your sentences or making your spoken statements more impactful, the full stop is an indispensable part of English communication. I hope this video has shed light on its uses and importance. Happy writing and speaking, and until next time, keep practicing those full stops.